The respected chairman, Dr. K. Siddhappa, is requested to invite His Holiness Sri Sri Siddhalinga Swamiji for his benediction.
Reverend Swamiji, I humbly request you to kindly deliver the benediction address.
गुरुरादितनादिष्ट गुरोः परमदैवतं गुरोः परतरं नास्ति तस्मै ಶ್ರೀ ಗುರವೇ ನಮಃ. ಪೂಜ್ಯ ಗುರುದೇವರನ್ನು ಹನುಮಾನದಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಮರಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತಾ, ಚೀಫ್ ಗೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಅಕೇಶನ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಶ್ರೀನಿವಾಸನ್, ಗವರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಕೌನ್ಸಿಲ್ ಚೇರ್ಮನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಿ ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಅಕೇಶನ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಸಿದ್ದಪ್ಪ, ಅವರ ನಬಲ್ ಸೆಕ್ರೆಟರಿ ಶ್ರೀ ಟಿ ಕೆ ನಂಜುಂಡಪ್ಪ, our governing council members, our respected director Dr. M. N. Chandasappa, our principal Dr. Shivkumariya, and the heads of the departments, faculty members, non-teaching staff, and my dear graduating students and their dear parents and invitees. Have been assigned to read out the message of His Holiness Dr. Shri Shivkumar Swamiji. I am very happy to participate in the 8th graduation day ceremony of SIT under the autonomous system. I am also happy to learn that about 75% of the graduating students have already got job placements through campus recruitment process. My hearty congratulations to all the successful students and the enabling faculty and staff of SIT. My dear students, your professional career is starting from today. I am quite sure that the knowledge and skills you have acquired in SIT would enable you to meet the challenges of the present competitive world. On this occasion, it is my wish that you remember the following points in your professional practice. Continuous learning will place you in an advantageous position. Proper time management enables you to be comfortable with your profession and family. The core guiding principle of Indian lifestyle is spirituality. Spirituality does not mean that we run away from worldly responsibilities. It essentially means work hard with honesty and integrity and do not fold. We should meaningfully participate in our democratic system, which is the largest in the world. In this connection, I recall the following. It's already mentioned by Srinivasan. I once again read out. Democracy is the progress of all, through all, under the leadership of the wisest and the best, not merely the best born. We want leaders who are not anxious to keep their seats of leadership, but who are prepared to tell the truth and guide us to the right solution of our problems. There is temptation for an uneducated or half-educated democracy to put in place of power men of forensic ability, political dexterity, or money power. Such a temptation is difficult to overcome unless the electorate has intelligence, ability, public spirit, and independence qualities which cannot be got to order. It is therefore essential that we take all possible care by voting for the wisest and the best. You are fortunate that you have been administered the oath by a great personality, by Dr. Channabasappa. I hope that you will follow the oath in letter and spirit throughout your life and shine better in your career in all levels. My dear graduating students, I wish you all success and prosperity in your future career. Please keep in touch with your institute We rejoice hearing about your progress. Shivam Bhuyat.